You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases correctly. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting vocabulary like this word in English too many people get confused by, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you want to learn more and support. So, how do you pronounce these phrases? The first word has two different pronunciations to start with. The second one is easier, so let's break it down. For the first word, military is how the British English pronunciation says it. In the UK, military. The second word is the American English pronunciation. There's a bit of a mistake here. Military is how the Americans say it. So military or military. Second word is easier. Parade. Parade. For both British and American English, so it's easier. Military parade or military parade. Did you get this? Now you know at least. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.